In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move data from one QuickBooks account to another. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and going to the main dashboard of the account that currently holds the data you want to move. Once the dashboard is on screen, go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. A menu will open. Under the Tools column, click Export Data. This takes you to the Export area. Stay on the Reports tab first. Here, set the date range you want QuickBooks to use for the export. After that, look through the report options and make sure the toggles for the reports you need are turned on. This determines which report data will be included in the export package. Next, switch from the Reports tab to the Lists tab. On this screen, confirm that customers, vendors, chart of accounts, and products and services are all selected. These are the list records that will be prepared for transfer from the first account. When those selections are confirmed, move to the top right and click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will begin preparing the export. It creates a zip file that contains separate Excel sheets for each category you selected. The system will notify you by email when the export is ready, so wait for that process to complete. Now, open your second QuickBooks Online company. This is the destination account where you want the data to be added. Once you are inside that company, return to the main dashboard. Then go again to the top right, click the gear icon, and under the Tools column, choose Import Data. This opens the import hub for the destination company. Give it a moment to finish loading. Once the import options are available, click the Customer's tile. This begins the customer import flow. You will repeat this same overall process later for other categories like vendors and chart of accounts, but here you are starting with customers. On the customer import screen, click Browse. A file picker window will open. Select your exported customers.csv file, then click Next. After the file is chosen, go back to the gear icon at the top right, click it, and select Audit Log under the Tools column. This opens the history of file changes. From there, review the mapping screen carefully. You want to make sure the columns from your CSV file line up with the correct QuickBooks Online fields. Check that headers such as Company are matched to the proper company field. Check that email is matched to the email field. Check that billing city is matched to the billing city field. Continue reviewing each visible field alignment so the imported customer information goes into the correct places in QuickBooks. Once the mapping is correct, click Next. QuickBooks will show you a preview of the customer records that are about to be imported. Look over that preview, then click Import to finalize the addition of those customer entries into the destination account. After the import finishes, check the confirmation status. This tells you whether the customer records were added successfully. Once that is done, you will be able to see the imported information in your current account, which is the destination QuickBooks company you opened earlier. At this point, the main transfer process is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That is basically it, and you have successfully moved data from one QuickBooks account to another. The first account was used to export the selected reports and lists, and the second account was used to import the file through the Import Hub. The important actions were selecting the correct lists, exporting them, opening the destination company, importing the customer file, reviewing the field mapping, and confirming the final status after import. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Open the source QuickBooks account, export the data you need, then move into the destination account and import it through the matching category. Follow the same pattern for the remaining data groups after customers, using the exported files from the zip package and matching each one inside the import area of QuickBooks Online. Once the process is complete, you should see the transferred records in the destination account. Congratulations!